Okay, let's come to the exercise now. Exercise 5.1. I'm starting with question number 4. We have already discussed till question 3. So in question number 4, you have to write the statements that are given here in tabular form, or you can say roster forms. Okay. So the first one is set of all even natural numbers less than 101, 101. So when we write this, we can write A equal to, you have to start with the curly bracket, and then you have to write set of all natural numbers. So first we are talking about natural numbers, so we have to start with 1, and then even natural numbers, so we'll write 2, 4, 6. And as I said, if my set is quite big, it's a large set. So what I said, that if the set is quite big, then what we do, we do not write each and every element, we just write the pattern. Okay, and then we put dashes, and then we write the numbers that are there at the end. So at the end we'll get 96, 98 and 100. It is less than 101, and obviously 101 is not an even number. So we'll end with 100. Okay. Now come to the sixth part. 1 digit natural numbers which are perfect squares. Now what a perfect square? Perfect square means when a number is multiplied by itself. So the answer that we get is a perfect square. This means what? 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 is a perfect square number. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 is a perfect square number. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is a perfect square number. 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 is a perfect square number. Like this, when a number is multiplied by itself, then the answer that we get is a perfect square number. And they are asking to write 1 digit natural numbers which are perfect square. So as I said, when 1 is multiplied by 1, I get 1. 2 is multiplied by 2, I get 4. 3 is multiplied by 3, I get 9. Then 4 is multiplied by 4, I get 16. And 16 is not a 1 digit number, it's a 2 digit number. So my set ends here. We can write B over here. Okay. Now the next one is set of whole numbers which are multiple of 5. So we have to write all the multiples of 5, and as we are saying it's whole numbers, so we'll start with 0, 5, 10, 15, and then they're saying set of whole numbers which are multiple of 5. They're not telling us any limit. They're asking you to write all whole numbers which are multiple of 5. So this set is not ending. So we'll put dash 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 as, and we'll end the set. We'll put the bracket. Okay. Now let's come to the next part. That says vowel in the word Masuri. Now in this word Masuri, you have to pick up only vowels. So U is there, then O. We will not write them 2 times. We'll write them 1 time. Then I and E. These are the vowels that we have in the word Masuri. Okay. Now let's come to question number 5. In question number 5, again the things are given in set builder form and you have to write them in tabular form. So what they're saying, X is the element. And what is X? X is whole number. W means X is whole number. And there is a condition also given for X that says X is less than or equal to 5. So we know the beginning also because we are talking about whole numbers. So from where we should start? We should start with 0 because we are talking about whole number. We have to write all the numbers X till 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be the set. Okay. Now the next one. X. Now what is X here? X is a digit in the numeral this. Okay. So you have to, as we write the letter in a word, we write digit in a numeral. So we will not repeat them. So what are the digits that we have used? We have used 1, 0, 5, 2, 6, 7. Then 1 is already there, 5 is already there. So these are the digits that we are using in the numeral given. Okay. Now let's come to the next part. They're saying y, and what is y? Y is a two-digit natural number divisible by 10. So what are the numbers divisible by 10? 10 is a two-digit number. So 10, 20, 30 till 90. Once we write 100, it is not a two-digit number, it's a three-digit number. So my set will end at 90. Okay. Now question number 6, which says the statement is there and you have to write in set builder form. Means you have to put an variable and then describe the variable. So we'll write x such that, what is x? X, we have x is a letter here. Okay, letter of this word ultimatum. Okay, so what we'll write, x is a letter in the word isn't it? So what we'll describe, how we'll describe it, we have x such that x is a letter in this word ultimatum. Now let's take the next example. Next question, that says months of a year whose names begin with J. So what is x here? It's x such that, what is x? X is a month. X is a month of a year starting with J. So this is what my x is. X is a month of a year starting with J. So what we can write? We can write January, June, July, isn't it? So this is the roster form, and to write it in this form means set builder form, what we'll write? We'll describe what is x. X is a month. Okay. Now this is it for today. Thank you so much.